If your product seems to be set up properly but does not produce sound from the TV connected to it, try the following to resolve the issue. The soundbar is connected to power, it turns on, and has demonstrated some sign of light bar activity. The light bar should not be red. The indicator below the microphone mute button can be red. The TV source has been selected using the Bose remote control, Bose App, or by using a supported Alexa command to the Bose Soundbar if available and enabled. Make sure the volume is properly set in the Bose App or on the remote control. Check to ensure the HDMI cable is connected into the eARC or eARC port of the TV. These are the only ports on the TV that will pass audio to the soundbar when using an HDMI cable. The correct port on the TV should be labeled HDMI RC or HDMI eARC. Refer to your TV owner's guide for more information. Some TVs may require a settings change to allow audio to pass through the HDMI ARC GEARC port. The settings are typically in the audio or setup sections of the TV's internal menu. Refer to your TV owner's guide for more information. HDMI audio processing is not standardized across different TV manufacturers. The Bose app provides settings adjustments to account for this. In the Bose app, select the soundbar, then press the gear icon in the upper right corner. Select HDMI Power and Audio, then test the different options to find one that best suits your setup. Option 4 and Option 5 typically resolve most issues that occur under the default option. After you change the HDMI Power and Audio setting, you may need to unplug power from the soundbar and TV for 30 seconds, then reconnect them to restore the audio signal from your TV. Most modern HDMI-connected products allow for certain operations to be performed by another device using CEC functionality. Certain operations may conflict with those passed between the TV and the soundbar. Check the settings menu of devices connected to the TV, e.g. streaming media players, video game consoles, for CEC functionality and disable them. Some manufacturers apply their own trademark to this functionality. Some TVs may require a settings change to allow audio to pass through the optical output. The settings are typically in the audio or setup sections of the TV's internal menu. Refer to your TV owner's guide for more information. Unplug the optical cable from the back of the Bose soundbar. The end of the cable should emit a red light when the TV is on. If this light cannot be seen, the cable may not be seated properly at the back of the TV. Check the orientation of the optical connector at both ends in relation to the port on the TV and the soundbar. It can only be properly connected in one specific orientation. It is also important to firmly push the optical connector until it clicks into place. Power off the soundbar. Disconnect the power cord from the soundbar or power outlet. If an accessory bass module or surround speakers are connected, disconnect the power cords for them also. Tip: if accessory surround speakers are connected, disconnect power from both surround speaker receivers. After 30 seconds, reconnect power to the soundbar. Wait about 30 seconds for the soundbar to reboot. If you disconnected power cords from an accessory bass module or surround speakers in Step 3, reconnect them.